Today, we will review the Asus Top Gaming A15 Laptop 2021 version. So tara, unbox muna natin. For design, aesthetic, with brushstroke texture kaya looks professional and clean. Made from plastic yung body pero textured finish kaya feel mong solid. And kung titignan mo yung bottom, honeycomb design which is big help for airflow cooling. In terms of build quality, okay siya. Hindi din basta-basta nagbibend yung lid kapag i-open or close mo. Sa touchpad, accurate yung movement and responsive. Hindi nga lang ako sanay na may button pa per click and feel ko mabilis siyang lulubog. As for the keyboard, comfortable gamitin for typing. Pero kung maglalaro ka, mas better kung separate keyboard yung gagamitin mo. About naman sa weight, 5.7 pounds. So medyo may kabigatan talaga siya since gaming laptop. For connectivity, ito yung available. For visuals, 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 144Hz refresh rate and 16:9 aspect ratio. IPS level panel na may anti-glare finish kaya less reflection sa screen. Also, it supports adaptive sync kaya smooth yung performance, especially in games. Color-wise, decent naman, hindi siya super accurate pero good enough for casual gaming, watching movies, and everyday tasks. Mabilis siya mag-boot and mag-open ng tabs dahil naka 512GB SSD. Ang maganda dito, may additional SSD slot kaya pwede mong i-upgrade. As for memory, it comes with 8GB DDR5 RAM plus 1 available slot na pwede mong ding i-upgrade to 64GB para mas maging smooth sa mga demanding tasks. For processor, AMD Ryzen 7 with RTX 250 GPU. So hindi lang to pang basic tasks, okay din for multitasking, gaming, and content creation. For audio, may 2 high-quality speakers na supported ng DTS technology kaya malakas and powerful yung sound. In addition, may available na 3 preset sound modes so you can easily switch between music, movies, and gaming for the best audio experience. As for the camera, it features 720p HD resolution, good na for Zoom meetings and video calls. It also comes with AI noise cancelling technology, ensuring that background noise is minimized.
Our two-way AI noise cancellation technology leverages an algorithm trained by AI to eliminate over 50 million types of
Plus with 3 built-in mic, kaya decent and clear yung maririnig ng kausap mo. Windows 11 OS kaya latest yung user interface and enhanced performance. Plus Wi-Fi 6 certified din for faster and more stable internet connections. With Bluetooth 5.3 for improved device connectivity. Also, may software siya where you can easily switch between silent, performance, and turbo mode. Pwede mo din ma-monitor yung CPU stats, GPU stats, memory and storage, as well as fan speed. It also provides options for GPU power saving and customizing keyboard lighting. Dito mo din i-on yung AI noise cancellation na sinabi ko kanina. May resource monitor and modern standby assistant din na malaking tulong to track and prevent excessive battery drain. As for the battery, it comes with a 48Wh battery. Good na for daily use like web browsing and video playback. Kung for gaming naman, syempre, depende yun sa settings mo. But I suggest na charge mo siya while playing to experience the full performance of laptop. In terms of durability, tested sa drop, shake, heat, cold, and humidity kaya pang matagalan. Ideal to for students and professionals, lalo na kung like task lang like MS Office, browsing, and Zoom meetings. And if ever na multiple tabs yung i-open mo, kaya niya i-handle. Okay siya as long as light task pero kung heavy multitasking and demanding application, mas better kung i-upgrade mo yung RAM. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, comfortable yung keyboard nito for typing. Hindi din siya mabilis uminit dahil meron siyang 4 heat pipes and 3 heat sinks kaya stable yung performance. May features din na self-cleaning cooling system kaya hindi mahihipon yung dust sa loob ng laptop. Tinest ko na din to sa games and take note, in-upgrade ko siya sa 16GB RAM. So unang game, Valorant, and talagang smooth yung performance niya since Ryzen 7 yung processor. Though di ganun ka-vibrant yung color but still decent and wala din ako na-experience na screen tearing or stuttering. Dito naman sa game na to, same lang din. Kaya niya i-handle even na madaming action sa screen. Wala din ako na-experience na FPS drop or kahit ano since di naman siya demanding in terms of graphics. Last kong tinest tong Marvel's Guardian of the Galaxy and wala din ako na-experience na lag dito. to. Ang problem lang kapag ganitong type of games na yung nilalaro mo, hindi siya ganun ka-native, lalo na sa dark scenes. But for its price, decent na to and isa sa nagustuhan ko sa kanya, hindi masyadong maingay yung pan kapag naglalaro ka. Overall, this laptop is recommended for students and professionals. Okay din naman for content creation dahil it can handle rendering videos, lalo na kung simpleng edit lang. When it comes to gaming, okay din as long as Valorant, Dota 2, and other mid games lang yung lalaroin mo. For the price, 47,995. Para sa akin, not bad na. Kailangan lang sigurong dagdagan yung RAM dahil mababa para sa mga applications ngayon. So kung interested ka, click the link below. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Kung meron kayong other questions, comment nyo lang and sasagutin natin yan. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.